We're going for our last walk of the night.
Come on. Throw it out.
This is nice.
I love. Why the camera? Every time we're going to walk, and Mama wants.
There we go.
Watch a video.
Why you want to go that the road walk back? Whew, excuse me. Might want to go all the way up there and go back.
You can walk there.
That's where the main road is. You go back. No, then you turn. But that's the long one because it goes to the dark all the way. Okay, man, that's too far.
Wait for Nicky.
Walk.
Here comes trouble. Oh my god. Yo, what a fast would escape from her. Escape from her.
You gotta hold on because it's getting dark.
It's fine. It's not
And you can't walk around with that beer, you know that.
Why?
Because you're not allowed.
I'm drinking fast. It's almost empty anyway.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna find garbage.
Ready? Hold on to me, guys, because this is gonna get dark.
Well, who's isn't allowed? Would have been fun.
Not walking like that, Anthony. Only
We're walking around the whole road. Oh, that would be a good rock to paint on.
I know, right?
I know. If you could carry that and it was light, then we would take that there.
You have your phone with you?
In my pocket.
Take a picture of me and the girl.
Ma, I can't when I'm doing this. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, hi,
Come
guys.
back.
Yes.
Oh, this is mud.
Someone gotta hold the camera and stuff. I'll do it. I could try to do it. Do
That's
it.
right.
You sure?
Come back.
Mama, guess what? The caterpillar I saw Mommy's present. Bigger than on Mommy's chair.
Did you take it? Did you take it? Why?
I already had a caterpillar in there, and it was on the front.
He's not alone.
He's not even walking though. He's not walking. He's not
You let
walking.
little animals go, right? Tomorrow morning?
I'm keeping the baby grasshopper. Yeah,
You put that in the car. Oh my
because the
god.
salamander died, and also I need a pet. Wait, I want to tell you something.
You know what they eat, right? Bugs. The grasshoppers.
I'm gonna feed the bugs tomorrow.
Hey, you guys want to
Okay.
walk all the way and then get lost?
You wanna go? Let's go.
No,
Let's go. Bye.
Anthony, come on. Vicky, you get lost. Come on.
Vicky, I'll make you go in the woods and come right out fast. Then I'll scare you.
It's scary in there. Give me a hand, Vicky.
I'm gonna put you in there tonight. Watch.
Yay!
It's gonna be very, very dark. Somebody's gonna
Here, I
get
can go
you.
to them.
Somebody's gonna get you out of there. I'm just kidding.
I can go to the camper.
I'm just kidding.
Stop. You're a baby. Or you're gonna stay, Olivia.
And also there's
much like a baby.
little one.
Damn. Olivia.
Well, you can't come to our town once tonight. No, they got a big one. So I'm gonna keep my eyes open and so you don't bring me. So I'm gonna keep my eyes open.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna close or anything.
But you wouldn't put a sleeping bag in a grass and sleep? Some people do that, like. They're sleeping in their cars.
You go around or no?
All the way, yeah, see the court is over there.
That goes around to our house?
We gotta go back. It's only one road.
Oh, you can't go around?
No.
Just remember the numbers. We're on 84.
This is how we go with the car, man. You gotta go straight. That's where they go. Okay, down there. Is this the other bathroom? Did you say? Did you use it yet?
No, it's the same thing as ours.
Oh, the lady said it was different.
Come on, because Olivia, walk up.
Oh, we could go left, I think. Right here, we're going here. Around.
Yeah.
You wanna go back to the spot for the picture though?
You
You wanna go back to the spot for the picture, right? Sure.
Mama,
Okay.
I hope you know that like I know how I practice skateboarding like once a year. Because I don't really think about my skateboard. That was more
You skateboard? I didn't know that.
No, I have a morph
Oh, you have one at home?
Yeah, and
Oh.
it changes. It goes from a scooter into a skateboard.
Oh yeah, is it hard?
Oh no, and also a bouncy thing.
Have you fell on it or no?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay, good.
I only fall on the scooter a lot. I
uh,
don't wear any helmet or anything.
You have a
I
bike?
just go playing.
you have a bike too or no? Oh, that's nice.
Wonder Woman, but I don't ride it anymore.
You
What's
ride,
round, Anthony?
go
Right here.
straight all the way.
Which way?
No, you can go straight all the way.
Okay.
Let's check.
Oh, looks
Yeah,
like
yeah, you could
number
because I saw this
8.
car before.
Looks like number 8. Probably. That's nice.
I know what they like.
Why don't we get RV next time?
Yeah.
It's expensive though, a lot of money.
I could put my money together. I have like
No, that's more and
$170.
more.
No, I know we could put all our money together and buy one RV.
You could either rent the RV or drive it. Either one.
You guys talking too much.
I like to rent it.
That's why I want to come by myself.
Yeah. Just
I
kidding.
wanna bring the
Kidding.
RV. Yeah, you get lost. Look at that mini RV.
Shh.
Hi.
Hi. See, you can show Olivia.
Oh, here we are.
I told you. What around?
Goodbye, our last night in the wilderness. Why? I want to. I want my warm bed. Don't you want your warm bed?
Comfortable sleeping here than home.
No.
We are tonight.
I want my warm bed. Go. I want my warm bed. I want to relax. Watch my soap opera.
Vicky, you like the wilderness? You like the wilderness?
See, Anthony, you didn't want to come.
Wow, let's ride in the wilderness.
Throw
That's
it out.
Disney ride.
Throw that out.
I miss Disney.
I heard you on the
Can't wait to get
you
back
and
home.
Daddy on the phone. You were like, "Oh, I don't want to go. I want to stay with Mom," but she wasn't gonna stay, so you had to go.
I don't remember. I forgot. Oh, you want to talk to Daddy on the phone? Yeah.
But
Yeah, 'cause
now
I
we're
didn't-
having fun.
I didn't know it was this fun, Vicky. This was my first time camping.
Me too.
And my first time fishing. Fishing was fun. I like
I did
fishing.
a
But we didn't catch nothing, but it's still fun though.
Kind of. The only fun part is you get to relax.
The
fun
breeze at the
part is
water, everything. Yeah.
We walked around the whole camp.
Took a tour.
It looked like a whole 8.
We took it. No, she don't want to.
I wanted to. I wanted to go around and then go inside the woods because the woods was straight. Mom,
She's scared she get lost in the woods.
it was like about like 15 foot.
Take a shower?
I'm in right now.
Let's look at the fire. Look at the fire.
Yeah.
No laugh. This is a grown kid.
This is the campfire, guys. We're gonna have s'mores again later on tonight. Whoa,
Nice.
whoa.
Oh yeah, it's falling this way. You should sit down.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I forgot the caterpillar was there. Oh guys, you want me to show you a caterpillar?
Where?
Alright, I'm gonna
No.
Alright,
You know
guys,
how?
come.
You know how to touch the camera? Do the camera? Let me do it.
I know how to do it.
I know, but let me do it. Where's it anyway?
Alright, so first one is on this chair right there. Oh yeah, it's still there. Look.
I guess Vicky's taking over the vlog now. I'm
Yeah,
just kidding.
You see that white? That is a caterpillar.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see nothing.
Underneath. Right there, on the bag.
I don't see nothing. Oh, here's a caterpillar.
Alright, I'm
guys.
gonna show you guys the second one. I captured 2 of them.
Yeah. So come
I
down
wanna show
below
this
if you
guy
want to
first.
see this.
That I call it is a baby grasshopper.
Grasshopper, guys.
Guys,
And
comment
also-
down below.
I got
No,
you
Olivia, don't say that. Don't say that now.
another caterpillar.
Where?
It's in the front.
I don't know, guys. All I know is just a bunch
Alright,
of bugs
look.
in here.
Look, you see that?
And pine cones. Oh, right there. That's a grasshopper?
No, that's another
Where's
caterpillar.
the grasshopper?
It's in the air. It's climbing. Guys, you can see it. It's climbing now.
Oh, right there. Wow.
You guys want to see the back?
If you,
Here it
if
Almost
you
a
really
fast,
like
almost
this
fast.
video, you're really
Yeah, that is.
Okay.
just give it.
Olivia, don't say that. No. Oh, okay. Right, Vicky?
Yep.
Don't say it because a lot of people, they don't like that. Really. YouTube don't like that. The YouTube gods, they're strict now. You know?
Oh yeah, guys. Please. All right. I wanna
What?
show you guys our paintings.
Oh, let's see the
Alright, wait.
paintings.
All right, these are old ones.
They look so empty now.
Let me put this up. All right, here are our old paintings.
You and your daughter.
All right, and let me show you the new paintings. All right, guys. All right, come.
Everybody grab a leg.
Just come on.
Here are our new paintings.
Do so mine.
This is my sister's.
This is
my
Olivia's.
aunt's. This is
This is
my
Ita's.
grandma's. This
That's
is
mine.
yeah, and this is my mom's, and this is mine.
This is hers. Watch, coming out that way.
This video is so fun.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, guys, I want to show you my painting on the rock.
This video.
All right, guys, look right here.
Olivia,
my
stop
painting.
saying that
As
already.
I say, this is
Iron Man.
COVID-19.
No, Vicky, don't say that. Never mind. She means this is Iron Man. Come here. Come here. Okay. Now you know.
Guys, right now we're not camping. Mom and Dad.
Oh, they got it.
Get out.
Look, come. Oh, look at the fire.